Hello Jam Fam! We've officially arrived at Universal Stella Nova Resort, one of 3 brand new hotels that just opened around Epic Universe. And after a long travel day, we're kicking things off with a relaxed resort night in orbit. The place, absolutely stunning. Stella Nova is themed like a celestial getaway with shimmering galaxy colors, mood lighting, and a lobby that makes you feel like you've stepped into a sci-fi movie. Fun fact, the exterior is wrapped in over 140,000 reflective tiles, so the whole building sparkles like a nebula when the sun hits it just right. Inside, you'll see calm teals, deep purples, and futuristic art that makes the whole place feel like a modern space station, just with really good air conditioning and a Starbucks downstairs. Tonight, we're checking into our room, dropping our bags, maybe doing a quick room tour to show you what Stella Nova has to offer. Comfy beds, sleek design, spaceship-style windows, and all the little details that make this feel otherworldly. We're also hoping to peek at the 10,000 square foot pool, fire pits, and maybe grab a cosmic cocktail at the Galaxy Bar. There's even a game room, fitness center, and a grab-and-go cafe for all you late-night snackers. We're heading to Epic Universe bright and early tomorrow, but for now, we're soaking in all the Stella Nova vibes and getting ready to launch this brand new vlog series with you all. Our first time at Epic Universe, and we're so ready to lift off. This is just night 0, and the adventure is already out of this world.
Welcome to Stella Nova.
Excuse the hair, looks kind of crazy. We just got off a 5-hour plane ride from an early flight this morning, but Mike and I made it to Epic Universe. This is the start of our Epic Universe weekend vlog. Our first time here, we just checked into the Stella Nova Hotel. Yeah, let's do a quick little room tour here.
So here's this really odd, like, semi-privacy glass, which I guess if you really wanted to, you could close that. So, but if you're feeling like getting ready in the morning and having everybody watch, here you go. So, all right. So just everything's new. This hotel is pretty much brand new.
Oh, yeah.
So we got towels, all that stuff. Nice walk-in bathroom. Curious what that is. I'm going to try and figure that out later. Yeah, that's a place to put your foot up. So typical bathroom. Very nice though.
There it is. There's a closet.
You have your slate or safe, a big closet. It's got ironing board, luggage rack. There is, what I do like about this hotel, there is a very big, nice area here.
The entryway
to get in, and then there's
like
full body mirror.
To me. It looks like an efficiency.
So behind here, you've got your mini fridge.
Ooh, mini fridge.
So mini fridge. I don't know if there's anything in here. I didn't look.
There
No complimentary waters.
Okay, no waters.
So, but they do have like little coffee things.
Oh.
So there is the TV in the room. We technically have a pool view. It's over there. But they have this clearly set up for quite a few people to enjoy the pool area. Yeah. And there's a little beach over there.
And then good amount of chargers. You have USB-C, USB-A.
So
nicely hidden.
Jen appreciates that.
I always appreciate that.
A nice little spot to lounge, and
the little carpet kind of looks like little pod windows. And then this beautiful Stella Nova mural. Yeah, it looks pretty comfortable. What's over here? We have an alarm clock that's got wireless charging, which that'll be nice. And then more chargers over here. Little mushroom light. Soap. Okay, so one thing to note, if you're into shower gel, they only give you soap. So in the bathroom, we have more soap and then conditioner and shampoo. So
you can tell we just stayed somewhere where they didn't have soap.
And then there is a Island of Adventure over there. We made it out to the pool area. The weather right now isn't that great, but there's a sign outside that says the pool is temporarily closed. Evidently, there's still people in the pool, so I don't think that is right. Anyways, so we just checked out the room and the lobby area, and now we're gonna check out the pool. There's like a little pickup window by the Galaxy's Grill. I think there's like a pool bar. Nice size pool though. No slide, I don't think. And there's a adult size hot tub area. That's a big hot tub. I mean, look at that storm cloud. I think over there, that is the sister resort, I think. So, anyway, all right, maybe we'll grab a drink over by the Galaxy Bar. Oh, I'm looking, they have a full bar over there. That's nice. Okay. All right, I think we just got the Cosmic, what is it? Cosmic Lemonade. This is is a seasonal drink, and it comes with a souvenir cup. I don't know how much it is, so we'll see. I think Mike's in it. Would you like to take the first sip? Do the honor. This will change your life, apparently. It's got Tito's, and it's got...
You can taste the vodka.
Vodka and watermelon.
You can tell it has alcohol. You technically can't taste vodka.
Okay,
That's
all right.
very good, though.
It's good?
Yes. It needs a bigger straw.
My first drink here at the Stella Nova. It's hard to slip, but that's dangerous.
Now I understand why you gave it to me first, because it takes a lot of work to get it.
And it's not on the menu because it's a seasonal specialty. Ooh, everything is a constellation. That's so cool. And on the back,
That is my favorite part about it.
we've got beer and wine and spirit-free beverages. All right. There is a Galaxy Grill bar. So there is no table service here at the Stella Nova. So everything is walk up. There's also a marketplace where you can grab snacks and salads and stuff like that. So
Which they have the refillable cup for here, but it's only for the hotel.
yeah.
It doesn't work anywhere else, and also other cups do not work here, I think is what I got.
Yeah. And then they have like they're time limited. Obviously, the longer you stay, the more expensive they are.
But you can pay up front, so you can 1 to 3 days, if you're
Like
here for
$20,
5 days.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, looks like Mike and I are gonna be sticking around the Galaxy bar for a bit.
Well, I'm gonna have some fish tacos, and then I am going to jump in this pool. There is rolling storms going through the area, so they are kind of
And when there's lightning,
They're opening and closing the pool, so we're trying to catch it when it's open.
there are two guests. They linger in the pool for a little while longer while there's lightning in the area. The lifeguards are like, get out of the pool. You don't want to be in water when it's lightning.
And for those east of the Appalachia, we have Yingling.
I'm
Cheers.
having Prosecco. Cheers. Dinner is served. Oh, fish tacos. Oh my gosh. And sweet potato fries. And all the condiments in the world. We got mayo, hot sauce, mayo. I got 2 orders of this.
Yes, because you always take mine.
Okay, I'm having what that
So one for
is.
you,
That
one
is
for
a
me.
dinner.
You don't need to eat all the
Woo!
fries.
Okay, so the fish tacos were excellent. And the sweet potato fries are really, really good too. Honestly, for a resort that doesn't have a table service dining option, the quick services are just fine. I mean, you're by the bar, you're enjoying yourself, and you just use your mobile ordering, get your food, and then just be able to sit by the bar and enjoy some poolside dining. That was perfect. Yeah, Mike is over there enjoying the pool. I'm kind of like, you know what, I just had some food and drink, just want to chill. You know, having a resort day. About 2 hours later, we're still at the pool area. But we're here to check out the little sand area, the sandbox. They have a little Connect 4, some beach chairs over here as well. And I guess that they're starting to show a movie. I think the pool lights have just come on, and not sure what the movie is. It's still quite light outside, so can't really see what it is. Definitely enjoying a resort day. I love it, you know. Like I said, we're not resort people, so on rare occasions, we just give ourselves a little bit of treat, and here we are. So while I was exploring the sandbox area, Mike went over to the Galaxy bar again and got this. He got his own Stella Nova souvenir cup, I guess.
So they have a signature cocktail for all of the zodiac signs.
Yep.
Because it's
Stella
Stella
Nova.
Nova.
Yep.
And so I got the Leo, which is mine.
What's in there?
Bourbon,
Ooh.
some sweet citrusy, orangey stuff. It's honestly a little too sweet for me. I like my drinks a little bit more bourbon.
Okay.
But
That's very sweet. Holy
Isn't it?
Oh
Yeah.
my god. Wow.
So at one point she pulled out a thing of syrup and did like a 1 ounce pour of syrup in there, and I'm like, I think if you took that out, it would actually be really quite good. But
I mean,
as if you can just imagine how sweet it is.
you
but
can't taste the bourbon in there at all. The syrup just completely overpowered the drink. Yeah, the watermelon, whatever, the cosmic lemonade. I think that's better.
I think that yeah, I would get that again versus that.
Okay, well. Okay, we're finally gonna check out some of the resort amenities. Right now we're in the game room. This is actually a cool little arcade area. They have Mario Kart, they have they have skeet ball, and they have a bunch of other things. So Mike is over there trying to get a card. Apparently it's not coin based. It's like one of those like more futuristic and more advanced card system where you tap and you know, you can load up credits on there, and Mike is trying to get one of those plushies. So it's like a simulation. Oh yeah, shoot 'em up game, looks like that. And then on this side we have Mario Kart, which I am looking forward to trying out again tomorrow. Although there is a Mario Kart over in Universal Studios Hollywood, so I think it's the same version, so we might not prioritize that. So just in case if you don't get to do it, Mario Kart's right here. And they have like an air hockey table over here as well. Mike is over there trying to figure out how to get a card so we can play some games. And I think he really wants to get a the claw. I think he wants one of those turtle shells. So I don't know. These things are, you know, how much you want to spend, right? To in order to get one. And then there's this a huge Mario. It's like one of those like cut the string game. But I don't know. How much did you spend?
$30.
All right. I think it's 10.
You need to hold.
Okay, I need to assist Mike. 1 second. Okay, Mike's gonna try to do it.
All right, what do we want to go for?
I don't think it matters. I think I just want a plushie. Whatever plushie.
The squid guy first or the turtle shell?
How much are you gonna be spending on it?
I got $30. We're gonna try it.
Okay.
Thank you.
So just do what you can, Mike. Do what you can. Oh, here we go. The claw is moving.
Oh, it's like a one-time.
Oh no.
Nope.
Nope.
It's too long. See, they were right.
Yep. After how many dollars? $30. We got
Too many. More than 30. Less than 50. But I was going for the gigantic Mario.
Yes, he was. We had a little bit of help, but didn't quite work out. But we still got a plushie, so that's our consolation prize, I guess. Yeah, this is really nice. We've got a nice view of the pool. Lots of treadmills and ellipticals and Stairmasters. This is really good. It's a nice sized gym for sure, yeah. Again, we don't really do gym work here while I'm on vacation, but this is really nice. Got stationary bikes. Cool. Stepping blocks. Cool. This is the ladies' locker room. Again, there's nobody in here, so we got some lockers. A couple of showers. Nice sized showers for sure, yeah, look at that. Okay. Nothing too fancy, not like the one in Hong Kong Disneyland, but still very utilitarian for sure. Functional. So we are at the merch store, and some of this merch I think we have seen over at Universal Studios Hollywood. We have some Bowser things and Yoshi stuff. Oh, all the different colors of Yoshis. That's kind of cute. And let's see, Donkey Kong. Oh wow, is that a pillow? Yes. Oh, we have all of the Toothless stuff. That's really, really cute. Okay, let's see. On this side we have a sipper. Is that a sipper?
No, this I think.
That is a popcorn bucket.
I don't know what that is.
That's a popcorn bucket. Popcorn, it lights up too.
Oh, there you go.
The eyes light up. Great.
And the first refill is
It's free. Okay. Oh, they also have some bathing suits and such. Yes. Yes. That is a yes.
Okay.
That is a definite yes. They also have Dark Universe stuff over here. Super Nintendo World, Universal Studios Orlando. Probably need to get one of these just so we can complete our set, because we've got stuff over there at Hollywood. Okay. And Toad stuff, Princess Peach. Oh yeah, I've definitely seen the Princess Peach Advance. Those are so cute. Oh, maybe I need to get that, because last time when I was in Universal Studios Hollywood, I didn't. And they have the Mario hats, Luigi hats. Are these the second gen ones?
Yes.
Oh, wow, check that. Oh, these are really, these are nice.
they're like bigger. I feel like the handles are definitely way bigger. Oh, there is this niffler. Oh, you can get a baby niffler. Oh wow. They're way better. Yeah, they are. They look really, really good. They look like graduation robes. And then of course on this side you have more of the Epic Universe specific merch. Oh wow, is it?
These are cool.
It's like a water bottle carrier. They also have like bathrobes. This is neat. Yeah, nice.
Mike, what are you looking forward to the most?
Just experiencing a new park without really having done any research on it. So I'm actually very much...
We're going in blind.
Yeah, well, I'm going in blind. I'm looking forward to doing a new park. I think we're just going to go in, we're going to have fun.
Yep.
Rides may or may not be working. We'll figure it out.
All right, let's see what happens tomorrow. We will see you in tomorrow's video.